Apparently the thing just stopped on me. I didn't even realize it had stopped. That's neat. I'm gonna walk back up here and walk inside at some point. I say lizard boots. They were Dan Post boots, and I can't even remember the name of the store. It's before I went into the hospital. We bought it just as soon as we got out of here. Bought the boots and the hat. I understand Resitol or something like that is the going brand now. But Stetson is famous, been around for a long time. And they're a good hat maker, whether or not Resistol surpassed them or not. These are the restrooms right back there?
Yes sir.
Okay, cool.
And then the ATM there too.
Thank you.
Of course.
Don't worry, I'll shut this off. Oh, there's the ATM. Yeah, they only take cash here, no cards. So you either bring cash or get some out of the ATM, which they have right here. Bye for now.